everybody, I'm Leslie here and I am going to teach you today the dance Be Her, and the music is Be Her by Ella Langley. The dance is choreographed by PISTOIA. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner, advanced dance. There's some tricky parts in it. But anyway, thank you for coming to the channel and I will get started straight away. Here we go. We're going to do a rocking chair. And let's do it to the side so you can see it. Step forward, replace the left. Step forward, replace the left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. But we're facing the front. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to step side, we're going to step behind, and then we're going to step forward to face the front and step forward again with the left. So that is after the rocking chair. You're going to step with the right to the side. You're going to step with the left slightly back. You're going to quarter turn and step on the right facing front and then step forward on the left. So from the rocking chair, the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. I know it's pretty tricky. It's just a bit different than what we usually do. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rocking chair. Right to the side, left back, right forward, left forward. And those are your first 8 counts. Now going on. Whoops, we have our left forward. We're going to do a pivot followed by 2 walks. So we're going to go pivot, walk, walk. Then we're going to point the left foot out, take it behind, point the right foot out, take it behind, point the left foot out. Again, we have the left foot in front. We are going to pivot onto the right forward, pivot, walk, walk, point, back, point, back, point. From the top, all that together. We have rocking chair, side, behind, forward, forward. Pivot, walk, walk, point, back, point, point. You got it? Let's do it with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going on, we are going to do a weave with a hook. Taking the left leg in front across, right leg out the side, left leg behind with a little bit of a pivot and then a hook. Step forward with the right, left to the side, back behind, but with a quarter of a turn to face 9 o'clock, and then a hook. There's my hook. So let's go from this weave. We have front, side, behind, hook, front, side, behind, hook. But now I'm facing my 9 o'clock. With the counts, we've just done the points. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go from the pivot. Left foot's in front. Pivot onto the right. Walk 1, 2. Point the left. Put it behind. Point. Put it behind. Point. Weave. Front, side, behind, hook. Front, side, behind, hook. Yes, from the top. Here we go. Ready, and rocking chair, side, behind. left leg, pivot 180 degrees. Your weight is now on the right leg. You're going to do a shuffle step. That is step together, step. Now I'm going to do another step, pivot, step, pivot, and I'm going to do 2 walks, right, left. That's the end of the dance. So here we go. We've got our hook. There's our hook. We're going to go step, pivot, step together, step, step, pivot, walk, walk. Yes? Again, from the hook, we're going to go step, pivot, shuffle, step, step, pivot, walk, walk. All right. Add that on from the weave. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you start again with the rock, recover. All the way through. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rocking chair, side, behind, front, front. Pivot, walk, and point, step and point, step and point. Weave. 1, 2, 3, hook. 1, 2, 3, hook. Step, pivot, shuffle, step, step, pivot, walk, walk, rocking chair. All right, let's do it again. And this time I'll go all the way around the world, all 4 walls. And here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rocking chair, side, behind, front, front, pivot, walk, walk, point, back, point, cross and hook, cross and hook, a step, pivot, a shuffle, step, a step, pivot, a walk, walk, rocking chair, side, behind, front, front, pivot, walk, walk, point, step, point, weave, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, pivot with a shuffle, step, step, pivot with a walk, walk, rocking chair, side, behind, side,